So Babbel versus Rosetta Stone, the two biggest, most popular names in language learning. Which one is actually worth your time and money? I spent hours inside both of these platforms, and I'm going to tell you exactly what works, what doesn't, and which one you should actually go for. Let's start with Babbel. Babbel focuses on developing all 4 key language learning skills: listening, reading, speaking, and writing through shorter drill-type lessons. Your typical lesson will take only 5 to 15 minutes to complete, which is much shorter than Rosetta Stone's. The program is structured like levels, each with several courses and lessons. The lessons are quick-hit, hands-on exercises with a lot of variety. Babbel believes this well-rounded approach in small, bite-sized segments is the most effective way to develop the necessary skills for language learning. Now for Rosetta Stone. The program is made up of 20 units, each with 4 main lessons for a total of 80 lessons total. The core part of a lesson takes about 30 minutes, but with supplemental drills for writing, vocab, listening, and speaking, it can be closer to an hour overall. These lessons are mostly image-based exercises where you listen to or read a word and match it to an image. This is part of their immersion approach, which minimizes English instruction, forcing you to rely on intuition and mental association. They also have lots of supplemental tools like audio companions, phrasebooks, video lessons, stories, and even free live lessons to fill in the gaps. Now that we've covered the gist of how these apps work, let's get into the dollars and cents. Babbel has 3, 6, and 12-month subscription plans, which range from around $8 to $15 a month after discounts. They also offer a lifetime plan for a one-time purchase of $300, giving you access to all of the languages they have to offer. Rosetta Stone also has subscription-style plans like a 3-month or 12-month option for $20 a month retail, though the 12-month plan is often on sale for about $11 a month. Their lifetime plan retails for $300, but you can almost always find a coupon to make it around $200 total. So the pricing is very competitive, but Babbel's subscription options are a few dollars cheaper per month depending on sales. Both apps run promos and discounts fairly regularly, so be sure to check out the description below where I'll have both of their latest promos and discount codes linked. Don't let the price be the only thing that sways you. Now that we've covered pricing, let's talk about what we like best about both of these apps, starting with Babbel. Their first pro is the diversity of their short lessons. The lessons are at most 15 minutes long, making it easy to fit into a busy schedule. Plus, the variety of practice drills from flashcards to mock conversations keeps the lessons balanced and engaging. This is great for people who are easily bored. Next up is their streamlined grammar instruction. Compared to Rosetta Stone's heavy immersion approach, Babbel offers direct translations and instructions. They layer grammar lessons in with quick tips and call-out boxes, providing a fundamental grasp of grammar in an efficient way. After that, we think Babbel now has the better speech recognition technology. While both are good, I personally found Babbel's speech tech to be less sensitive than Rosetta Stone's, meaning it only makes you repeat when you truly butcher a phrase, which is less frustrating. With Babbel Speak, you can also practice full mock conversations on a variety of topics with their speech tech guiding you along the way. Now let's get into the advantages of Rosetta Stone. First, Rosetta Stone's lessons are heavily visually oriented. Almost every exercise uses images, which is fantastic if you're a visual learner who likes to make mental association between a word and an image. Next is their dynamic immersion approach. Their methodology minimizes English, forcing you to rely on intuition and learn by struggling your way through the material. While it can be challenging for some beginners, this method can accelerate the language acquisition process for others. Finally, we have to highlight their extra resources. Rosetta Stone offers an incredibly comprehensive suite of supplemental tools, and even free live lessons included with most subscriptions. If you're serious about your homework, Rosetta gives you more options than almost every other app. So that's what we think works about these two apps. Now it's time for my final verdict. Which app is best, Rosetta Stone or Babbel? While I like both the Rosetta Stone and Babbel programs, for me personally, I prefer Babbel. The lessons are more engaging and balanced because of the variety of their exercises and drills. The daily review sessions are great for spaced repetition, and I prefer their more direct approach to grammar instruction. However, that's not to say everyone would like Babbel better. If you're more of a visual learner and want to be tested daily with a more immersive learning experience, Rosetta Stone could be a better fit and work really well for you. Ultimately, I personally found the Babbel lessons to be more engaging, the right length for me, and overall just a more effective language learning program for my needs. For a full breakdown of all the features, the latest pricing, and our own hands-on experience, check out our full written review over on our website. To find it, all you gotta do is Google Guide to Fluency, Babbel versus Rosetta Stone. By the way, we'll be giving away a language learning subscription to one of our lucky subscribers. Just check out the details down below in the description for more. It's super simple to enter, just like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I've got for you now. Best of luck, everyone. Ta-ta for now.